Hello, here's the content of this demo video. First, I will install the module, Biotime Connector, then grant the access right to demo user. Second, I will set up the connection information for Biotime Server. Then, I will test pushing the data from Odoo to Biotime Server, department, work location, and employee. Afterward, I will test pulling the transactions from Biotime Server to Odoo. Finally, I will demo how to convert the Biotime transaction to HR attendance. Now, I log in as admin. I open the application menu, then update the module list. Searching for the Biotime and install the module Biotime Connector. Next, I grant the access right to demo user. Set up the Biotime server. I log in as demo user. I open the menu Biotime greater than server. Then, I update the name, host, and IP of Biotime server. Okay, let's test the connection. It connects successfully. Next, click Get Token. Input the username and password. Then, click Login to complete. On the form view of Biotime Server, there are two tabs, Pull Action and Push Action. This pull action will pull the transactions from Biotime Server to Odoo. And these push actions will push data from Odoo to Biotime Server, such as push, create, and update the department data. Same for work, location, and employee. For push create action, there is a button Push Now. Click on it to push all data to Biotime. This is especially useful after the first install or when going live, to push initial master data. For employee data, there is a field Employee Push Mode. All employees will be synchronized to Biotime. Only assigned employees, only employees with the Biotime server field set will be pushed. You can set the Biotime server on Employee Form View in tab Settings. Or, you can set it via the work location. Now, I have to set the time zone of Biotime server. For example, it's Asia Ho Chi Minh. To field punch, state in and out are used for converting the Biotime transaction to HR attendance. Punch state in indicates what state, for example, check-in should be treated as an entry time. Punch state out indicates the corresponding exit time state, for example, checkout. Push data from Odoo to Biotime Server. First, I will create a new department. There's a queue job created immediately to push the new department to Biotime Server. Let's check New Department in Biotime Server. Here it is. Then, I test the update case. I change the name of department. A new queue job created to push the change to Biotime Server. Check the change in Biotime Server. Here it is. Next, I do the same tests for work location. Add a new work location. Check the queue job. Then, check if it creates new area in Biotime Server. Here it is. Next, I test pushing a new employee to Biotime Server. I input employee name, work location, department, badge ID in Biotime Server. Required fields, name and badge ID. Badge ID will be employee code in Biotime Server. The queue job has been done. Let's check from Biotime Server. There are many records. I search for the test employee. Okay, it's been created and linked to the correct department and area work location in Odoo. Now, I test the case of updating an employee. Queue job ran successfully. Check the change from Biotime Server. The change was synchronized. Pull transactions from Biotime Server to Odoo. From the Form view of Biotime Server, tab Pull Actions, I update the last sync date and day limit. For example, I only want to pull the transactions on July 13th and 14th. I set their values like this. I click on Pull Now to create a queue job. the queue job has been done. And it triggered to create another job to pull the data of the next page. Check the transactions created in menu Biotime greater than transactions. Now, to pull all transactions from July 15th until now, remove the value of sync limit days. Click Pull Now again. The queue job created and ran successfully. Check the new transactions created. On the other hand, there is a scheduler pull, create Biotime transaction, which creates queue job to pull the data automatically. Convert Biotime transactions to HR attendance. There are two schedulers to do the convert job. The first one is Biotime Create Attendance, which creates HR attendance from Biotime transaction. If it fails, it track the message to transaction record and set its state to failed. Another is Biotime Retry Failed Attendance, which retries to convert again for the failed transaction records. Let's run the first scheduler. All transactions were failed to convert. Let's check one of them. It failed because the employee code was not found. I'm going to set this code for any employee. I set the value for badge ID as employee code. Next, I set transactions as state to retry. Their states have changed. Now, run the scheduler, Biotime Retry, Failed Attendance. Check the transactions. 2 records were done. This one was failed because its punch state breakout was invalid. Only check in and check out are allowed. Check in and check out transactions were combined to create an attendance in AD. Thanks for watching.